Hello wringer washer fans. It's March the 16th, 2019, and this will be the first video showing the restoration of a circa 1948 Zenith wringer washer made by the Zenith Machine Co of Duluth, Minnesota. I don't have a manual for this, and there's no way, to my knowledge, to check the serial number. So I'm going by a photograph of the factory from around that time period, 1947-48, and it looks to be about the same style machine. So we'll go with that, around 1948. This machine has a striking similarities to a Speed Queen. In fact, so many similarities that it's a wonder there weren't copy or trademark infractions. Perhaps there were. The way the tub is inset into the frame and also the way the legs are situated is very much like a Speed Queen. And the bowl-shaped tub is also a feature of both machines, so I'm not sure who came out with it first. I'm going to guess that Speed Queen did. But this is a beautiful porcelain tub. And it is in a bowl shape, so the wash action is very efficient. It turns over quite well with this 3-vane cast aluminum agitator. The main thing I'm going to do to start the restoration is flip it over after the tub has been taken out, and then look at the transmission, and also the pump needs attention. It needs a new belt. And then, of course, lots of cosmetic, sorry about the noise there, lots of cosmetic restoration involved, because there's quite a bit of scraping and rust all over it, in fact. But it's just surface, should be fine. The wringer assembly is in fairly good shape, although it's missing the what was probably a Bakelite knob for the tension there. So I'll have to either find a replacement or fabricate something. The wringer rolls themselves are not in great shape, but I was able to fill in the cracks with some E6000 adhesive. So they're all uniform, which is a good thing. So they roll quite well. So they'll be able to work fine. And that's about it. Here's the front controls. We've got the agitator control on the right and the pump control on the left. And these pink decals are pretty cool. Hopefully I'll be able to save them when I do the paint job. So that's it for part one. I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching.